if we look at this equation and if we concern with the mechanical work as the energy transfer, and if we know that the change of the energy of the system is only the change in the kinetic energy. In this situation, we have that delta K is equal to W, and this is the work kinetic energy theorem. It's a work kinetic energy theorem if the change, if the energy involved with the system is the kinetic energy and the energy transfer is only from the mechanical work. So you can see that this equation is a general equation, and the work energy theorem is a special case of this relation, that is the change of the total energy of the system is equal to the total energy transfer between the system and its environment. Before we go on, there is a pitfall that you have to be careful. Although we will talk about this in more detail later, I want to introduce you here this pitfall that heat is not a form of energy. The word heat is one of the most misused words in our popular language. Heat is a method of energy transfer, or the transferring energy. It is not a form of storing energy. But in the popular language, we may say that we can store the heat, which is not correct in the sense of physics. In terms of physics, it's not correct. The phrase such as heat content, the heat of the summer, and the heat escape all represent use of these words that are inconsistent with our physical definition, that is, heat is a form of energy transfer. It's not the energy itself. We will talk about this in more detail in chapter 20.